I am here with a full line of Hicks heat press equipment made here in the United States by our exclusive heat transfer machine provider, Hicks, right in Pittsburgh, Kansas. I'm going to go through the line of equipment. So we get this question all the time. Well, why should I buy this press versus another press? What's the difference in price point? What's the right press for my business? So I'm going to take a minute here and answer that question for you. So starting on my left is really a machine designed for the startup to the growing shop. It's the HT 400 series, HT 600 series. The 400 is a 15 by 15 platen. The 600 is a 16 by 20 inch platen, a little bit larger size to accommodate larger prints or combining names and numbers onto the same application. Now this is a clamshell model, which means it opens and closes like a clam or like an alligator's mouth. It is designed using the heart of the machine, the Hicks heat platen, which is made and forged right in their forge in Pittsburgh, Kansas, using their exclusive aluminum alloy, which is designed not to warp over the life of the press. It is also designed to disperse the heat evenly across the platen. Now, it's not a Teflon coated platen that you'll notice. There's no Teflon coating. Now, the reason for that is because Teflon actually dissipates the heat. So an operator standing in front of this machine doesn't have as much heat radiating out off of it as they would if that was a Teflon coated press. The machine also comes in an auto clam option, so it'll open up automatically in the upgrade version in the 15 by 15 or the 16 by 20 size. And what that means is you'll close it manually, it'll count down, and then it'll pop open automatically. Now all these machines have a touchscreen interface no matter which one you're using. This is the Hicks Swingman 20. It's a 16 by 20 swing away machine. It's designed to swing away, giving you full access to the lower platen. It takes the heat out of the way for the operator so that they can sit here all day, lay out names and numbers, lay out anything that's sort of tedious application work while you're doing non-apparel or non-traditional substrate decoration. This is a great machine for those who are doing diversified decoration in their shop. Now this is the big boy. This is the Hicks N880. It's a fully automatic machine. It uses compressed air to generate the pressure that's necessary for every application. Now this is a clamshell design, so it's efficient to use. It's one motion up and down when you're applying high volumes of goods. Now the machine uses a compressor to supply compressed air to the machine to generate the pressure necessary for every application. The benefit of that is that it reduces operator fatigue. If you're going to be doing high volumes, you're going to be decorating all day long, somebody operating and pressing hour after hour, day after day, this is a machine that is necessary for you to be able to accommodate all of that high volume demand without having an increase in operator fatigue. Now, let's just talk about the economics of these machines. So you're looking at about $1,025 for this machine. You're looking right around a little over $1,500 for the Swingman model, and then you're into the over $2,500 range for the fully automatic machine. Let's just talk about the economics and the ROI of these machines. So I'm going to give you a scenario. So with F&M, you can get a one color heat transfer for just a $22 setup, and then it's 15 cents per piece after that. So let's just do a quick math problem for us. Now, if we had to decorate 100 shirts with a $22 setup, and then that 15 cents times 100 is another $15 there. Add that together, you get $37 for the cost of your transfers to decorate 100 t-shirts. Let's say you're buying a blank t-shirt for $2.50. So if you decorated 100 t-shirts, your cost would be right around $250, $275, all in on your costs. So you're making a little over $700 in your first job selling that t-shirt for, let's say you sell it for 10 bucks a piece, you make $1,000 in gross. Your costs on your materials would be right around $300. So you're looking at $700 there in gross profit that you can take to apply towards the ROI of these machines. So if you sell 125, 150 t-shirts, you're going to pay off that machine using our one color heat transfer deal. Now, to upgrade to the Swingman, you're looking at about 200 t-shirts. You sell 200 one color t-shirts for 10 bucks. Using our 15-cent program, you pay off this machine. This machine, the fully automatic, which you may think is out of your price range and I can't afford an automatic and it's not worth the investment, to pay this off, all you're looking at is about 400 shirts. Using our 15-cent program, one color heat transfer exclusively from F&M, you can pay off this machine by just selling 400 t-shirts and decorating them using a 15-cent kit. Make an investment in your business. Invest in quality American-made equipment. It's going to be serviced right here in America, so that you can build a business that's going to last year after year, press after press. And the biggest cost that you need to factor in is the opportunity cost that you lose when you invest in inferior equipment and then you have a malfunction, or you have something break down for you in a critical moment when you're trying to decorate goods and get them out to a customer, when you have a deadline that you're facing, and you're faced with a machine that's not performing up to standards, it's not keeping heat, it's not retaining even temperature across the surface of the plat, or it's cracked or it's warped, or even worse, there's an electrical component that is broken down in your machine at the most inopportune time, we recommend making the investment in quality American-made equipment. Now, we get this question all the time: is your press the cheapest in the market? It is absolutely not the cheapest in the market. We are not looking to win the race to the bottom. That's not the race that we're in. We're looking to help apparel decorators build businesses and supply quality product to their customers. And the way that you do that is by taking a quality American-made machine. You take our quality screen printed transfers that we screen print right in Gordonsville, Virginia, and we ship them out to you in 24 to 48 hours. You combine those two things with a quality blank piece of apparel, like our 565 line of apparel, and you give your customer a high value, quality, well-made product.